Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Studocu uploads. First, you'll need to log into your Studocu account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, look for the My Uploads section, usually found in your profile or dashboard menu. This is where all your previously shared documents are stored. Identifying the correct document is the first crucial step in managing your shared content effectively on the platform. After finding the document you want to remove, hover over it or click on the three dots, often labeled More Options, usually located near the document title or thumbnail. From the menu that appears, select Delete Document. This action will initiate the removal process. Be prepared for a confirmation prompt, as Studocu wants to ensure you genuinely intend to delete your valuable content. Upon selecting Delete Document, a pop-up window will typically appear, asking for final confirmation. It's important to carefully read any warning messages, as deleting a document might affect your earned points or potential earnings associated with that specific upload. Once you are certain, click the Final Delete button to proceed. This action is irreversible, so be absolutely sure before confirming. Remember, deleting an upload on Studocu is a permanent action. Once confirmed, the document cannot be recovered, and any associated points or earnings you might have accumulated from it will be lost. If your intention is simply to update the content, consider uploading a revised version and then deleting the old one, rather than just deleting without a replacement. Always double-check your choice before finalizing the deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.